That's nice. It's pretty good. Not bad for a first try.
Hey everyone, and welcome to I'm Winging It. If you're looking for perfectly measured recipes and predictable results, you might be in the wrong place. But if you're ready to embrace the wild side of air frying, then buckle up because we're about to wing it. On this channel, we're throwing caution into the air fryer and seeing what happens. Join Rod as he experiments, improvises, and occasionally invents recipes on the fly. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these interesting creations.
Today I'm going to be cooking vol au vents in the air fryer with a bit of braised steak and onions and camembert cheese. So we'll give it a go. I think I'll cook 4 of them. I'm a bit hungry. Put a bit of parchment paper in, so I don't have to clean up a big mess later on in case the freaking cheese goes everywhere. This will make a nice meat pie, I reckon, this stuff. Braised steak and onions. I had it on toast the other day. That's why I thought it'd make a nice filling for something. Is that it? Supposed to get this skin off it or not? Jesus. I'm going to cut it off. I don't know what I'm doing here. Put a bit more in it, make it a bit cheesier. Geez, they look pretty good just without them being cooked. Put them in. Have a look on the box there, how long got to cook them for. In the oven for 170 degrees for 8 minutes. I think this is a bit more savage than an oven. Might go, we'll try 5 minutes at 170. See what happens. Alright, let's see how it's turned out. Not bad. They look alright. Don't go squeezing them. But they feel alright, feel solid, and let them sit for a bit. Then we'll get into it, have a taste test. Alright, let's taste test. Oh, pretty good. That's nice. See you on the next one.